Hi, this is Stephen Wybera for CSC588 Multi-Threaded Architecture, PA2. I just want to go over a few of the things I did. So essentially, I combined the PA2 base code with PA1 with some cleaning up of the architecture. So I pulled out an audio engine object that creates the PXAudio2 object, as well as the master voice right up here in the constructor. My goal is to kind of push this into a singleton, but I got a baseline to work with that for now. I also have a create source voice, which creates a source voice object I made, which holds the source voice as well as the WFX wave format extensible and the XAudio2 buff. I also have a load audio file that essentially takes in the file name, parses through, pulls it out, and assigns everything to load it all up. Inside of the audio thread main, I essentially create that audio thread and I have it looping through so that everything works nice and neat. I did use a few global variables just to kind of keep things basic and prototyped. I do essentially want to have a doubly linked list structure of source voices so I can kind of swap between them, add them, remove them as needed based on a queuing structure. I'm not sure if we're going to be doing that direction or looking into maybe setting up the circular queues as we talked about in class. So I want to look into that a little bit more before I commit to any designs. But what I have right now for a quick prototype, I have a int that keeps tabs on the state of the track, 3 different tracks that work. I pulled out the start sound and stop sound functions. I have an audio controller that controls essentially turning on the looping, stopping the audio, playing the audio, or switching to the next track. So as I run this, you'll be able to see. You can't hear in the video, but I have it sleeping on about 4 seconds. When I press next, you can see that the next source voice plays. I press the key N for that, and a new sound comes on. When I press next again, it will play another new sound, and then it loops back to the original sound. I press the S key, and it stops the audio. It will keep playing, though, unless I turn off looping, but stopping essentially just stops it for that time period. When I press play, though, so interesting, I'm getting a little bit of lag. I don't think that's because of my things, though. I don't exit any threads. I have a feeling that might have something to do with my machine running the screencaster as well. I am running from an external hard drive. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoy.